Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious enchiladas norteñas de pollo. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making our enchilada sauce. To our saucepan, we're going to add 8 New Mexico or Guajillo chile pods, 1 chile ancho. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our chiles come to a full boil, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, and once we have our chiles, we can now get ready to make our sauce. To our blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, oregano, black pepper, and salt. And we're going to be blending with 2 cups of chicken broth or water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have our enchilada sauce, we're going to take it back to the stove. I'm going to be using the same saucepan that I boiled my chiles. I already removed the water and dry it up. Just going to set it over medium heat and add a little bit of oil. Okay, and once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our sauce. Strain if you need to. Just going to add a little bit more water to my blender cup. Okay, now mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. As soon as the sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes, our enchilada sauce is done. So we're just going to set it to the side so we can cook our carrots and potatoes. Okay, so in a separate saucepan, we're going to add 3 carrots, 3 large potatoes. We're just going to add a little bit of salt. Cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our potatoes and carrots come to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow them to continue cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they're nice and soft. And after 8 minutes, our potatoes and carrots should be fully cooked. Of course, just make sure that you check them. They should be nice and soft. So here I'm just going to remove them from the water. To our pan over medium heat, we're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, and once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our potatoes and carrots. Just going to give it a couple minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of our enchilada sauce to our potatoes and carrots. Okay, so just give it another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, our potatoes and carrots are done. So we're just going to set them to the side so we can do the same to our chicken. Okay, to our pan, we're going to add another tablespoon of oil. And we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, so once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our 2 pounds of cooked and shredded chicken. And since my chicken is cold, I'm going to be heating it up. So we're just going to give it about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of enchilada sauce to our chicken. Now just mix it together. I'm going to be adding a little bit more sauce. Okay, and of course, taste your chicken and see if it needs any salt or any adjustments on your seasonings. But for me, this is perfect. So once we have our chicken, we can now get ready to make our enchiladas. Okay, now to make our enchiladas, we're going to begin by lightly fry our tortilla. So just heat up some oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to place the tortilla and allow it to lightly fry for 10 seconds per side. Okay, so after 10 seconds, flip it over. Allow that side to blister. Okay, and once done, remove it from the oil and repeat with the rest of the tortillas. Okay, so once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready to put our enchiladas together. Okay, so we're going to grab a tortilla, dip it into our sauce. Going to add our chicken. And I'm also going to be adding some queso fresco with onion. Just going to roll it, just like that. Place it in a plate. And repeat with the rest of the tortillas. Alright guys, and once we have our enchiladas, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So we're just going to top it with our carrots and potatoes. Going to drizzle some crema mexicana. Top it with some queso fresco. And I'm just going to be serving it with a side of lettuce and of course a chile toreado. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. I love enchiladas. Hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. And of course, if you want your enchiladas to be a little bit more spicy, add chile de árbol. If you don't want it to be spicy at all, just stick to chile guajillo. This right here, it's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious enchiladas norteñas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.